In reference to this comment, Babi, thank you very much for following Immaculate Show. We love you so much and we honor you. We don't take it for granted. If someone can follow you somewhere from one platform to another, that means you want to learn. We have individuals like you. I really say thank you and I give you a heart. Please, kindly, I request you next time, put that comment on YouTube, because immediately we'll reply you. We can even make for you a special follow-up as far as detailed information concerning your issue, because we will be knowing exactly which platform or which app are you talking about. So now I will not know which exactly video and which exact method are you referring to. So immediately as you watch that video, you put a comment on that video. One, will recognize you as a fan or a royal follower or subscriber on that specific video, even on YouTube. Two, you'll be in position to enter into our incentive scheme. Our incentive scheme is for those individuals that always follow Immaculate Show YouTube videos. Before it was also on Facebook, but due to the amount of money that we get on Facebook, it's a bit low. We cannot share it with you. We decided to concentrate on YouTube. YouTube gives enough money so we can share. And to you, everybody that always comes and engage the videos by watching, by liking, by sharing and comment, our administrators always know this one has watched several times, she's repetitive. So when we get our salary from YouTube, we share it with you. So next time, don't lose that. And we always upload our videos 2 times or 3 times in a day. Morning by 9, that is Gulf timing, afternoon and evening. The list is 2. So Babi, I hail you. Thank you. And even to everybody that has been going there, that you didn't speak, that you're from TikTok or you're from Facebook or from Instagram, whichever platform you come from. Thank you very much. Now let me go and really talk small. Social media platforms is wide. So exactly what don't you understand? And what we put on social media platform, like on a video you'll find it has 9 minutes. So 9 minutes, you might not get, as a beginner, you might not get everything, or you might not get even a start. That's why most people have been always asking, but we don't understand you. Not only you, baby girl, there are very many people who have not understood how to make money on social media and even on social media. So what we do, immediately as we put for you highlights, I can call it highlights. 9 minutes to 12 minutes is highlight. So because this is a big project that you cannot compress in 1 minute, in 2 minutes, in 10 minutes. We bring for you appetizer. We bring for you like this. You say like, test. Then you test. When you test, you say, this tea is okay. Can I get a full cup? So this is what you need to do. Whenever you go on social media, we have different ways of earning. And in the month of June and month of July, we have concentrated mainly on how to earn money with our gadgets. Because it is very important, our smartphones. So now, the last month, that is month of June, there was a concern, and the concern was from comments and even from reaction over lives when we hold live on Facebook or YouTube, anywhere. Even the survey, when we compared the people who have been following us, how many people have come up to say, okay, I'm a witness. There are very few people. I'm enjoying the benefits alone. That's why we decided from the survey that was taken, it was a free survey, by the way, from the lives and comments. Now we are going to start, or we have started it started on the night of 30th, which was stroke 1st of July, a 30-day challenge for making sure that we move somewhere. What do? We combined our energy. There is one of the person that is heading that challenge, that is Captain something. You can Put in the comment section if you want to join this challenge. If you want to join this challenge, we put you in that group. We put you in that platform. We held our first introduction meeting offline. As offline, we did not bring it here. You can see this was it. You can see it on the screen down here. I think I'll put it at the end of this video. We started that 30-day challenge. What do we want? We want people like you who say, but what does this lady talk about? How come for her she earns money and for us we don't understand? So this one, you are free to ask questions. It is free because we want all of us to get out of need. At least let's get, if we cannot make it our main income, let us make it our high side hustle, but we make sure that we cannot like $20, $30, $50. So what you do, you write in the comment section, someone is going to pick you, or you can go to my DM on any platform, send your WhatsApp. Someone is going to add you. The administrators are going to add you in this group. This group is majorly the 30 days challenge. We want by the end of 30 days of July, everybody in that group should have reached somewhere, should be seeing, especially it is mindset. By the way, it's not about getting money, it is mindset. The moment you get to know what is it, focus, how can I do it, what can I do, you will not need any guidance. You'll start looking for the material, you'll start looking for everything you need on your own. So if you want to be among those people, write in the comment section, or you can even go to my DM, even to the person that I've tagged here on this platform will take you direct to that platform. Thank you very much, but I love you so much. Thanks for always watching and following Margaret Show. 5 minutes of watching, 9 minutes of watching, we don't take it for granted. We have to fight poverty, lack, misuse of smartphones. See you in another video. Bye.